Doc2Podcast is a tool that takes your PDF and converts into podcasts. You start with the number of speakers you want and preview audio.
The library is quiet and peaceful.
And then you can change the conversation length if you like and provide some instructions like make it funny or short or long or a serious discussion and hit generate. And once the podcast is generated, you will see your uploaded documents and the generated podcast.
Welcome to our podcast. I'm Shimmer, your guide through the Cosmic Comedy Club.
And I'm Onyx, the resident skeptic. Today we're diving in. I'm a black hole. Want to come into my event horizon? No thanks. I prefer my dates.
Awesome. So the backend is connected with an API to Langflow where we are passing the file. It goes through a few steps of parsing and extracting data. And then it goes to this prompt where we are asking it to select the number of speakers based on user requests, a few additional details, and the user request that we get from the front-end UI. And based on that, we send it to OpenAI. And in this case, we're sending to GPT-4o mini model. And we get the podcast script back with the speakers and what they're going to talk about. And we take all of that and we send it over to OpenAI text-to-speech service with the speakers that we want to use for the podcast. And the repo as well as the flows are available and they are open source. There are installation instructions. You can follow along and you can actually generate your own podcast.